Super excited.
Excited
To
to
go
give us
upside down and go.
You sure?
Yeah. I am so happy. I am in Disney World.
Use the right lane to take the exit, then take the exit toward Disney's Hollywood Studios.
At this point in our Disney World vacation, I finally had a real feel of what Disney World looked like. I cannot explain the fun we had. Like, we've already been to the Magic Kingdom, Animals Kingdom, and Epcot. And each park had its own magic. Like, Disney is truly the most magical place on earth to be, trust. And today's vlog was all about Hollywood Studios. OMG! Wait, I cannot wait to show you guys. Everyone, I'm Getty Elios, Creative Director and CEO of the Getty Elios Luxury Interior Concept LLC. Your nurse turned luxury interior designer, mom of 2 little humans, and a wife to an amazing husband. On this channel, I share pieces of my journey to motherhood, alongside interior design, home decor, home styling, home decoration, home organization, and full of clients before and after transformations. My heart is to show you that it is very possible to create that beautiful aesthetics home with or without kids. And if you are new here, you are most welcome. I would like you to hit the subscribe button and join our small but beautiful community. You're gonna love it in here. Now let's dive into it. Hollywood Studios, clock it. So one of the highlights was taking the Skyliner to get to one of our destinations. I mean, that ride alone feels like an experience on its own, trust me. Just floating above everything and taking in the views. Oh my God. Now, let me talk about the Hollywood Tower of Terror, guys. It's a must visit. The building itself might make you underestimate how much fun is inside there. But do not be fooled. No, 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 no. Warning, if you are scared of height, please think twice before going on this ride. See, it's a full elevator adventure that takes you up, 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 and then suddenly drops you. Then it goes up again and drops. It's thrilling, it's intense. Most of it all is unforgettable. One advice I will always give or say about Disney World is that, see, this is just my personal take. Planning is everything, and again, paying extra for the lightning lane really helps. It allows you to enjoy more rides, less stress. You don't join the long queue. Look at how smooth and easy we are just passing through the line. Like, we simply walked past them, enjoyed ourselves, and came back. We can sometimes go on 2 different rides and come back to meet those people still in the lines. So please, Disney is not cheap. So make sure like you just do it well and invest in the lightning lane. So it is really important to get a lightning lane, guys. Lightning lane.
The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star. And this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Twilight Zone.
Wait a minute, I see something shaking. I see something shaking like it's
Okay,
gonna
fine,
fall.
baby.
Mommy, Daddy, I see something shaking that like it's gonna fall. I am in Disney World.
So we spotted this giant guitar from a distance, guys, and of course, our curiosity kicked in. So we wanted to know what it was at all. And the moment we got closer, we realized it was a roller coaster. And without even thinking twice, we joined the line. And of course, lightning lane. The kids were so happy right away. This is what I mean by getting a lightning lane ticket. When you look around, you see people everywhere, long lines on both left and right. If we had joined the queue, we would have been waiting forever. But with lightning lane, our line was empty. You can see that. We just walked straight and kept moving. That's exactly what lightning lane does. It lets you skip the long lines and move through faster so you can hop on the next ride. At this point, we are all nervous.
I am super duper excited
Excited
to
and
go
nervous as
upside
well.
down and go. Yeah. Going on that good, going on that good, going on that good. Don't even think about getting out of here.